Smart people only look at one eye, and they know how to put this triangle body in the cage. If you don't like to move your brain, you may not be able to do it even if you give it an hour. Rumor has it that this is the simplest brain test that Zhuge Liang gave to the children around him. Later, it was spread widely among the people and became the home of training children's thinking. If you don't think about it, the triangle body is clearly stuck at the entrance of the tunnel. Even if you turn a circle, it still doesn't work. Then change a foot to try, and the result is the same. It seems that the problem is not as easy as we think. Observe carefully the structure of the whole body. Although there are gaps around the cage, it is a waste of effort to directly put the body in, because the gap between the pillars is too small. At this time, many people will guess whether the middle pillar is hidden. Let's try it. Zhuge Liang's brain is stuck in the middle of the tunnel. The 99% of the children are not willing to explore this step. They easily think that this puzzle is not solved at all. However, those children who often do thinking training, their observation skills are more sensitive. You will find that this contains a mathematical secret. The square line is the longest. As long as you align the edge of the triangle body with the diagonal line at the entrance of the square hole, then let go, the triangle body will smoothly slide into the cage. Now the problem is here again. Do you know how to get it out?